Today, PDCCI invited to have a meeting with their members. So it's a great pleasure to me to meeting them as a seniors chamber of India. More than 120 is oldest chamber in India. More than members, 120,000 members belong with them. We hope we have big opportunities. I invited them to come and invest and understand what kind of opportunities to invest in Sri Lanka and strengthen our relation with trade, investment and all the part of Sri Lankan with the new government, and we can work together to strengthen our trade and investment relations.